Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out here on this beautiful day checking out this brand new 2026 Yamaha 222SD. We got it in this stunning white and gray color scheme with the white interior. You guys climb aboard and let's check it out. All right guys, welcome aboard the 222SD. So as you can tell by looking up here in the bow, this Yamaha is geared towards a luxury feel. So nice sleek accents, got that C-deck panel along with your grab rail there. And then up here under both of these seats, you've got great storage spots that will head back a little bit. And then you've got your bow filler cushions that sit right here to give you a full pad for lounging up here in the bow. Right underneath me is your dedicated anchor storage with a flip down bow ladder. Once you get that in the water, you can close this and use this as a stepping system to get back in the boat and jump off again and again and again. I'll make my way into the cockpit a little bit. I want to show you guys the biggest storage compartment on board. That is your ski locker down there. So that's going to come up here to below my feet a little bit. And then it has that non-skid mat, so you can put anything in there and don't have to worry about it sliding around while you get the boat underway. I'll also show you your wind dam door. So that'll feed right into this track and let you take this boat out on a cooler day where you don't have to worry about that wind hitting you so hard. And then over here on the starboard side is your hideaway trash can spot, and then storage for your tables and swim up seats that this S model does come with. Over here you got your wireless charger. It's a nice cutout to hold your phone while the boat's underway. Little carrier on this side, as well as a glove box right here. Taking a quick look over at the helm, you do have your Aqua Amp wireless cell phone charger and mount there. Good spot to put your phone. And then you've got your Yamaha Connect screen offset to the right a little bit to give you that best visibility while you're underway. And if you take a quick look at the steering wheel, you'll notice you have your paddles. That's your Yamaha drive system. Makes maneuvering this boat at slow speeds super easy. Two super comfortable captain's chairs. The main captain's chair does have this flip up bolster to give you a good view over the windshield. And they both will swivel, rotate, and lean back as well. Igloo cooler right behind the captain's chair that does come with the boat. It's got that nice dedicated spot on board. And then storage underneath each of these seats back here in the cockpit. You go through your center walkthrough back here and it'll lead you right to your swim platform where you do have some seating as well as a table mount. And that's where those submersible swim steps we were talking about and seats will go. Super cool spot to hang out when the boat's anchored at the sandbar, if you're having a picnic or something. And then you'll notice back in the cockpit here, we're getting plenty of shade from our canopy above your tower. I'll let you guys take a look at the motors on board. These are the 1.9 liter 4 cylinders, the high outputs from Yamaha. So you got about 400 horsepower combined on this boat. So needless to say, you can get where you're going just as quick as you want to. If you guys have any more questions about this boat or anything else we offer here at MarineMax on Lake Wylie, you can give us a call at 803-831-2101. You can ask for me, Blake Holbrooks.